Hi students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss some important numericals. Here, at first, numerical number 1. Find the torque of a. Find the torque of a force seven I minus 3J minus 5K about the origin which act on a particle whose position vector is I plus J minus K. Once again I am repeating this point. Find the torque of a force 7I minus 3J plus 5K about the horizon which act on a particle whose position vector is I plus J minus K. Now solution. What the examiner given? The examiner given position vector R is equal to I plus J minus K and F is equal to 7I minus 3J minus 5K. Therefore, torque is equal to question mark. Therefore, torque is equal to perpendicular distance into force, that is equal to I J K. What are the position vector? 1 plus 1 minus 1 and plus 1 minus 1. And what is force? 7 minus 3 minus 5. This is torque. Now, therefore, the torque tau is equal to minus 8I minus 2J minus 10K. Now go for question number 2. Numerical number 2. Find the angular momentum Find the angular momentum given position vector is 3i minus 4j plus 5k and linear momentum is minus 2i plus j minus 3k. Now here go for solution. Position vector r is equal to 3i minus 4j plus 5k and linear momentum p is equal to minus 2i plus j minus 3k. Therefore, angular momentum L is equal to question mark. Therefore, angular momentum L is equal to r vector cross p vector. Therefore, L vector is equal to take I j k whole by 3 minus 4 5 and minus 2 1 minus 3. Therefore, angular momentum L is equal to 7i minus j minus 5k. Now go for numerical number 3. Numerical number 3. Find the torque of a force. 7i plus 3j minus 5k about the origin. The force acts on a particle whose position vector is I minus j plus k. Now solution. Once again I am repeating the question. Find the torque of a force 7i plus 3j minus 5k about the origin. The force acts on a particle whose position vector is I minus j plus k. Therefore, given position vector r is equal I minus j plus k and the force F is equal to 7I plus 3j minus 5k. Now, what is the torque? This is the question. Now, the torque is equal to perpendicular distance into force. This is the formula. Therefore, torque tau is equal to I j k 1 minus 1 plus 1 7 3 minus 5. Therefore, that is equal to 5 minus 3 into I minus j into minus 5 minus 7 plus k into 3 minus of minus 7. That is equal to 2I plus 12j plus 10k. This is torque. Therefore, the torque tau is equal to 2I plus 12j plus 10k. Next, numerical number 4. If A vector is equal to I plus 2j minus k and B vector is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 2k. Find the value of A cross B mod. Mod means magnitude. Now go for discussion. Once again, what are the given A is equal to I plus 2j minus k. B is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 2k. Therefore, A cross B is equal to I plus 2j minus k into minus I minus 2j minus 2k. That means A vector cross B vector is equal to I j k. What are this one? 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Therefore, A cross B is equal I into -4 -2 plus J into 1 plus 2 plus K into -2 plus 2, that is equal -6i plus 3j. This is A vector cross B vector. Therefore, A vector cross B vector mod is equal to root of -6 whole square plus 3 whole square, that is equal root 36 plus 9. Therefore, A vector cross B vector mod is equal root 45. My dear students, we have to solve the numericals like this. Numerical number 5. Show that vectors A vector is equal to 2i minus 3j minus k, and B vector is equal minus 6i plus 9j plus 3k are parallel. This is the question. Now, solution. Given A is equal 2i minus 3j minus k, B is equal minus 6i plus 9j plus 3k. If the vectors A and B are parallel, then A cross B must be 0. That means, therefore, A cross B is equal to 2i minus 3j minus k into minus 6i plus 9j plus 3k. A cross B vectors is equal to I J K 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 6 9 3, that is equal I into minus 9 plus 9 plus j into plus 6 minus 6 plus k into 18 minus 18. Therefore, I into 0 plus j into 0 plus k into 0. Therefore, A cross B is equal to 0, or AB sin theta is equal to 0. Therefore, A not equal to 0 or B not equal to 0. Therefore, since sin theta is equal to 0, since sin theta is equal to 0 is equal to 0 means that theta is equal to 0 degrees. Therefore, A vector and B vector are parallel to each other. Please stop. Now, numerical number 6. Now see, determine a unit vector which is perpendicular to the both A vector 2i plus j plus k and B vector I minus j plus 2k. This is the question. Now go for solution. Let C be perpendicular to A vector and B vector. Then C can be taken as the cross product of A vector and B vector. Therefore, C vector is equal to A vector cross B vector. That is equal to I J K. What is A? 2 1 1. What is B? 1 minus 1 2. Therefore, C vector is equal 3i minus 3j minus 3k. Therefore, magnitude of C is equal to root of 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is equal 3 root 3. Therefore, unit vector along C is C unit vector. Therefore, C unit vector is equal C vector to the magnitude of C, that is equal 3i minus 3j minus 3k whole by 3 root 3, that is equal 1 by root 3 into I minus j minus k. Therefore, unit vector C is equal 1 by root 3 I minus j minus k. So that this is a unit vector. C is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both vectors A cross B. We have to solve the numericals like that. I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.